Welcome to our Carnival Cruise 2019. We are here on the Fascination. Got some classes going on down there. We're at St. Lucia.
Are you ready? Here we go!
Say hi, Steph.
Yeah, we're having a good time!
Alright, there's a sunken submarine down here we can go check out.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Pay my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile. To hold it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I've tried to cut these corners, tried to take the easy way out. I kept on falling short of something. I could have gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile. To hold it in for a while. Take me with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile. To hold it in for a while. Take me with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. And I know it's hard when you
Clay found a vine in the rainforest.
Just don't fall into the...
Don't fall on the car.
I am. Oh, he's so cute.
No tail.
Well, he's easy to catch.
Oh yeah, he's got a tail. He's just little.
Welcome to Barbados. We are at Dayaction World. Brian Dayaction is a professional windsurfer, and I'm inside the belly of a boat that he's turned into a little collage of all of his awards and magazines and everything. But he's who just gave us our private surf lessons and is currently down teaching Jason how to windsurf. So pretty cool experience.
most beautiful bay I've ever been in my entire life.
The water's right here.
Say hello.
Nicest little hotel. Hey.
Hey.
Did you see the tree?
So shallow.
This is all of us. We're getting left behind.
Headed for the open door. Tell me what you waiting for.
We are in St. Lucia. This is a river that goes from the tallest mountain on the island out to the ocean, and we are swimming upstream because it's so slow.
So you get another shot.
You should get down on the other.
Yeah. You can't see it coming. Thank you.
Yeah, I would.
Real quick.
Cam's got some monkeys. Some little baby monkeys.
Full size or are they babies? Babies? Where are we at, Shug?
I don't remember.
What island are we on?
Oh, St. Kitts.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go fishing. That's like really close.
Okay. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the poles.
Look at that. It's like wire. It's already got. Here's our bait. So pretty. St. Kitts and Nevis to the south.
Days go by, feeling broken down. Remember, always remember.
We just boarded the fishing boat, the Boss, to go do some sea fishing, and behind me, as you can see, is the Carnival ship that we're on. Behind it, the bigger ship, is a Royal Caribbean that just rolled on, but we're here on St. Kitts Island, and as I said, we're here on the Boss, is the name of this boat. Alright, well, 5 minutes later, Steph's still fighting him, but we see him now. He was fighting earlier. He's probably exhausted now. Now he's just getting drug in. Keep going. Yeah, you got him. He won't fall off. You got him.
That's a beauty.
Steph's fish. Oh yeah.
That's why speed is 20 on the best.
Gas has got a
Oh, baby one.
Baby one! Oh my god, we love this so much! Oh my god.
They're showing off.
I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see.
Right behind the blast.
Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
Where's my buddy? Hey, buddy.
Now when the sun come up, I'll be there to say what up in the morning. Brush my teeth, find that clip I've been looking for since last night. I feel so caught up in the bud. I float some with my bedroom.